Come here, Bart. Come here, Mark. Come here. Come here. Oh, yeah, you like that. You like that, huh?
Wait, I really feel bad for her.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. You like that. Yeah. Come here. Come here. Come here. Ah! Come here. Come here. Mark, come here. Mark. Come here, Mark. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on.
My name's Peter.
His name is Mark. And he is my pet cat. As you can see. He says meow.
You mean bark?
No. Oh, yeah. He's my pet cat. He says bark. And he flies around. He's a flying cog. And his name is Mark. Hey, Mark. Hey, Mark.
My name's Peter.
No, his name is Mark. His name is Mark. Okay? QRL72. Mark. That is how you spell his name. Mark is how you say his name. And Wasne is how you say his name in German. Okay? Okay.
My name's Peter.
No. His name is Mark. His name is Mark. I just spelled it for you. I just pronounced it for you in English, and then I said it in German. How do you not understand German? How? Mark. Hey, Mark.
My name's Peter.
His name is Mark.
I'm Peter the parrot.
No, you're not. No, he's a cat. He says bark. His name is Mark. No, the name was not. We didn't name him Mark because it rhymed with bark, and he barks. It was just a coincidence.
My name is Peter.
His name is Mark. I spelled it for you. I said it for you in English, and I said it for you in German. In German.
My name's Mark.
Yes, his name is Mark.